Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm Andy RC and today I'm going to be announcing the winners of the waterproof 50 amp 4-in-1 B El Hali 32 Racerstar metal ESCs. Now I knew when I announced the rules of this competition a lot of you guys wouldn't like it, so you had to go to the Racerstar webpage, press like and then keep a screen grab for a week, and you also had to have Facebook, so more power to you for not having Facebook, and I understand why people didn't like it. Now it got 408 likes, however it did not get that many comments, so I think that's just some people supporting the giveaway but not participating, which I understand as well. So let's copy it into one of these random YouTube comment pickers here. Yep, so 269 comments. Well done for all of you guys taking the screenshot. So let's pick some winners. So I'm going to press start. It's going through all of your names. And we have got a winner. So we have got Brooke Carrillo, and it says, I lost my only drone yesterday, I'm crushed. Well, that sucks. Hopefully these ESCs are going to work on your next build. So I'm gonna pick another winner here, so press start. And we've got another winner, Rohan67. It says, great. So both of you guys, if you could put your email address in the comments of this video, and then I will email you and you can send over your screenshots. And to everybody else who participated, thank you so much, and hopefully it will allow for more giveaways in the future. So as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.